What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to dress well when you're a tall guy. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Fourth Tribe, salute. Now, first off, I gotta say, I'm not a tall guy. I'm 5'10" myself. However, I have had experience with helping guys, clients of mine that are taller, find their style and find clothes that make them look good. So I know a lot of the challenges that tall guys have. First of all, clothes are made for guys my size, or average height, about 5'10" or so. Now, as a tall guy, I don't want you de-emphasizing your height. I just want you to make sure it's not the focal point. It makes you stand out too much. You want to use your height, but you don't want that to be the only key factor people will pay attention to in your style. So in today's video, I've got about 8 or so of my best tips that you can dress well and be stylish as a tall guy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now for our first tall guy tip, you want to use obviously contrasting separates. For example, a white top and black bottom. The reason why, when you have contrasting separates, it cuts your body in half, makes you appear less elongated. Cutting you in half brings you a little bit down to size. This doesn't take all your height away, but it makes it seem less obvious. Just like the actor Alexander Skarsgård that I use in this example, notice that he's a tall guy and he's wearing contrasting separates. Makes him look smooth and stylish, is not overly tall. Now for our second tip, you want to wear large scale patterns. I don't care if it's in your shirt, tops, bottom, whatever. Having a large scale pattern draws the eye, especially if you're wearing a large scale shirt. It just brings the person's eye to your chest instead of looking at your head and looking at the height. So if you want to be dressed well as a tall guy, another great tip, wear large scale patterns, especially on the top. Our next tip, you want to invest in double-breasted suit jackets or blazers. Couple of reasons why. First of all, a double-breasted jacket stands out, so it's going to draw eyes to the midsection, which is what you want to do when you're a taller guy. On top of that, double-breasted jacket, a little more material, adding a little more depth and heft to your midsection, once again, drawing the eye there instead of to your head. The next thing I love my tall guys to do, you really want to wear bold shoes and sneakers. You want to get ones that stand out. Here's why. When you have a bold shoe or a bold sneaker, a person's eye is drawn down to your feet instead of looking at the top of your head. When you're a tall guy, you want to bring the eyes downward. Having a bold shoe, bold sneaker definitely gets people looking downward instead of up. Next up, what I want you to do, mix and match your suits. This kind of ties back to our earlier tip of wearing contrasting separates. Now this works for a couple of reasons. Just like the contrasting separates, cuts you in half, de-emphasizing some of that extra height. And on top of that, when you mix and match your suits, you have more suits. Now instead of 2 suits, you actually have 4. You got the navy by itself, the gray by itself, but then you can also do the navy jacket and the gray pants, or the gray jacket and the navy pants. Now you have 4 suits instead of 2. Not only are you cutting it in half, creating a great contrast, you're getting more wear out of those precious suits. Now our next tip ties into what you might see is a pattern that you want to add depth. And another way you can do that, wear heavyweight jackets or blazers. For example, as you see here, I have this tweed jacket. Extra depth, always great for taller guys. Brings the attention to the midsection and de-emphasizes the extra height. One of the great ways to add depth, you definitely want to use those heavyweight jackets and blazers. Once again, talking about dealing with depth and dimension, another great way to do that, use layers. You know what I mean. Have a sweater with a shirt underneath. Throw that jacket on top. Adding these layers once again gives you depth and dimension, drawing the eye to the midsection, and like I keep saying, not emphasizing your height. So my tall fellas definitely take advantage of using layers. Last but certainly not least, our 8th and final tip for my tall guys out there when it comes to style, do not wear low-rise pants or jeans. You, my tall friend, want to wear mid to high rise. Here's the reason why. If you're wearing low-rise pants, it kind of comes down a little further, elongating your torso. You want a mid or high-rise pants that cuts you directly in the middle if possible. The key to this, it helps create an even top and bottom half if you cut yourself in the middle, just like if you did with a belt or contrasting separates. So you definitely want to grab mid to high-rise pants or jeans. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how to dress well when you're a taller guy. In the comment section, if you're a taller guy and you have some tips and tricks you can share with the tall Style O.G family members. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos released every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.